Did you know? Octopuses have 3 hearts, and their blood is blue? 2 of their hearts pump blood to the gills, while the third sends it to the rest of the body. But here's the twist. When they swim, that third heart actually stops beating. And their blue blood? It's because they use copper-based hemocyanin, not iron-based hemoglobin like us. They're not aliens, just insanely cool sea creatures. And 100% real. Mind blown? Stick around, more facts coming your way. Follow for the facts you won't regret to know.